If you have a job that involves a computer, you've probably wondered, could AI eventually do what I do? The surprising answer isn't simply yes or no. Welcome to the AI Minute. Today, will AI really take your job? Artificial intelligence is already writing reports, creating software, analyzing data, answering customer questions, and producing images in seconds. So yes, some jobs will disappear. But for most people, the bigger change may be that AI transforms parts of their job rather than replacing the entire role. Think about a financial analyst. AI can summarize reports and analyze mountains of data, but someone still needs to ask the right questions, judge the results, and make decisions. A doctor may use AI to analyze a medical scan, but treating a patient requires judgment, communication, and accountability. And a software engineer may use AI to write code faster while spending more time designing systems and solving complex problems. The jobs most exposed are likely to be those built around repetitive, predictable digital tasks. But history also tells us something important. New technology destroys some jobs while creating entirely new ones. 20 years ago, jobs like app developer, social media manager, and cloud architect barely existed. The real question then may not be, will AI take your job? It may be, will someone who knows how to use AI do your job better? The safest strategy is not to compete with AI at the tasks it does best. Learn to use it to become faster, more creative, and more valuable at the things humans still do best. I'm the AI guy, and this has been the AI Minute. AI may not take your job, but it will almost certainly change it. And the best time to prepare is now.